Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the purpose of life on earth, your soul's journey through growth and experience. Life is not an accident. Every birth is planned with purpose. You are not here by chance. You are here because your soul chose to learn. Earth is your school. Every soul is a student, and every experience is a lesson. Some lessons are sweet, some are bitter, but each one is meant to help you grow. The purpose of life is not success. It is not fame. It is not comfort. It is evolution. You are here to evolve your soul, to rise in understanding, to love more deeply, to forgive more easily, to think more purely, and to act with greater truth. Every situation you face carries a message. Pain teaches patience. Failure teaches humility. Loss teaches detachment, love teaches compassion, and silence teaches faith. We often ask, why me? But the right question is, what is this trying to teach me? Nothing happens without a reason. Every meeting, every challenge, every delay is part of a greater plan. The soul designs its own experiences before it comes to earth. It chooses the family, the body, circumstances, and the lessons it needs. Sometimes the soul chooses comfort, sometimes it chooses struggle, but always it chooses growth. Every test is an opportunity to polish the spirit like a diamond. You are shaped by pressure, and without pressure, there is no shine. Earth is not your home, it is your classroom. And your real home is in the higher world, the realm of peace and light. But to reach there, you must pass your tests here. And the exams are held every day. The way you speak is a test. The way you treat others is a test. And the way you react to difficulty is a test. The way you forgive is a test. And the way you love is the highest test of all. Many people forget this. They chase after material things, collect wealth, power, and recognition, but none of this travel with the soul. Only your actions, thoughts, and feelings stay with you. They shape your spiritual energy and decide your growth. Your real work is inner work. It is the work of purifying your heart. The world outside is a mirror, and whatever you see in others exists somewhere in you. If you see anger, heal your own anger. If you see greed, release your own greed. If you see beauty, nurture that beauty within. You are not a victim of life. You are a creator of your journey. Your choices make your path. Free will is your power. Destiny brings the stage, but you decide how you perform upon it. When life feels unfair, remember the soul never suffers without reason. Even in darkness, something sacred is unfolding. Your suffering may be the breaking of old pattern, the clearing of past debts, or the preparation for something higher. Trust the process. Every soul works at its own pace, so don't compare your journey. Some souls need calm waters, some need storms to awaken, and each one has chosen what it needs. Accept your path with courage. The mission of every soul is simple: to grow in goodness, to move from selfishness to selflessness, from anger to peace, from ignorance to understanding, from fear to love. When you help someone, your soul expands. When you hurt someone, your soul contracts. When you forgive, you are healed. When you hold grudges, you are chained. When you serve, you shine. And when you live with gratitude, you align with God. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be willing to learn. Each day, choose kindness over pride, honesty over comfort, and love over judgment. These small choices lift your vibration. Life will not always be easy. The soul did not come for ease, it came for experience. Every time you rise after falling, your light becomes brighter. Every time you love despite pain, your heart becomes purer. Every time you stay calm amid chaos, your spirit grows stronger. Your purpose is not to escape life, but to live it consciously, to see God in every moment, to remember the divine even in daily tasks, to work with sincerity, to speak with truth, and to love without condition. This is real spirituality. Don't wait for big miracles. Notice the small ones: the sunrise, the laughter of a child, the kindness of a stranger. These are whispers from the divine that reminds you life is sacred. Forgive often, Let go easily. Don't carry the weight of resentment. It slows your journey. Let the past go. It has served its purpose. Move forward lighter, freer, clearer. Be grateful for what you have. Be humble in what you achieve. Be strong in what you face. And be gentle in what you give. Your gentleness is not weakness, it is your strength in its purest form. Every day is a chance to start again. The past is not a prison, it is a teacher. Learn from it and move on. Live in the present moment. That is where your power lies. The soul grows quietly. No one may notice your progress, but God says it. Every good thought counts. Every kind act adds light to your journey. And even silent prayers reach higher realms. When you live with awareness, life becomes sacred. When you see every person as a soul, you respect all. When you realize that everything is connected, you become compassionate. And when you act with love, you fulfill your purpose. One day, when you leave the earth, you will carry no possessions, only the purity of your heart. That is your real wealth. That is your true success. Remember this truth. You are not a body that has a soul, but you are a soul that has a body. You are light in human form, eternal and divine in disguise. So live well, live truthfully, live with awareness, serve where you can, love as much as possible, and when you fall, rise again with grace. The journey is long but beautiful. Every moment is part of your awakening, every breath a step closer to home. You are not lost, you are learning, you are evolving, and one day you will understand why everything happened the way it did. Until then, walk with faith, walk with courage, and walk with love. Thank you.